Hey, it's Charlie with Simple Machines, and today we're going to walk through how to use HubSpot's data agent to create smart properties for better targeting. So right now I'm on the data agent homepage, and to get here, you can either go to the data management navigation or use the search feature. Once you get here, you have your overview. You can manage agents that you've already created, but today we're going to go straight here to create a smart property with the agent. So let's imagine that I'm a consultant that specializes in companies that have boards of directors. So I want to know which companies in my database have this. So I'm going to prompt, I need a company property that notes whether a company has a board of directors, and click generate property. Okay, so what HubSpot has done, the agent has created a property on the company object, good. Uh, it's given it a label, has board of directors, that's great. It's going to use a single checkbox field type with options yes or no, perfect. And then it shows you the prompt that it's using and the source. So in this case, web research. And you can preview your company records first, which is nice because if you want to test a couple before you go ahead and hit create, you can see if the data enrichment looks good. Got to give it a second. So here, Apple, yes, they do have a board of directors. Once you're satisfied, you can go ahead and hit create property. And then to enrich companies, you can do this from your main company's view or from a list. You would just go select the company that you want to enrich, fill smart properties. We'll select the one we just created and fill the property. And from there, it's going to go ahead and fill that record with the corresponding property. And there you have it. That is how to use Data Agent to create smart properties.